I felt so pity for my dad. He never slept. The whole night he was torturing me. He was wandering the whole night to know about it. Better leave this plan and let them be peaceful.
First, we have to make Mama and Dada to meet. That's what my birthday is coming, no?
Why, dear? Why did you wake up in the half sleep and came here? I know. You need a dress for your birthday, right?
I don't want birthday and even the dress.
Why, dear?
Just see, only we are just going to shopping, only we are buying the cakes, and only we are just celebrating. What's happiness in here? This is totally bored.
Fine. Why are you just bushing around? You want to invite Akash and his father, right?
Do we call them? It will be super fun.
Invite.
They won't come when I call them. You have to call them.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hey Akash, haven't you gone to the birthday party?
What to do? He said he'll get ready soon. It's about 2 hours now. He haven't came out yet.
Just to wear a shirt and a dhoti, it is taking so long? Bhaskar? Did your father sleep? Bhaskar?
Coming!
He's awake. Have a nice party.
How do I look?
Hiyo. What happened, Dad?
Why? Not looking good?
Is there any fancy dress competition going on?
Hey, shouldn't I dress properly for a birthday party?
That birthday party has only 4 members. You, me, Mother and Shivani.
Hey, party's a party, right?
Okay, come.
Wait. How do I look now? Alright. Now?
Sure.
Wait. This would be perfect.
Dress itself are too much. Why do you want to wear glasses? Have it in the pocket.
I can have it here, right?
It would look so cheap.
Hey, if Salman Khan wears it, it's top. If I wear it, it's cheap.
If you wear coolers at the back, will you be Salman Khan?
Huh?
Nothing.
Mommy, Akash and Dad has just came.
Go, just bring them.
Ma, you just go and call them.
What? Why should I? You go.
Just go and call, Mom. They won't come until you go. Just go and call, Ma.
Hi, Mummy.
Hi, Akash. Come.
Father also came.
Huh.
Just go and call, Ma.
Excuse me?
Dad. Mummy is calling.
Hi. Please come. Come.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Mummy, Daddy looks awesome in this dress, right?
Let's go in.
Yeah.
Daddy, hereafter you just dress like this. Dhotis and shirts are very bore.
Alright. Beautiful.
Happy birthday, Shivani.
Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you, Daddy.
Please be seated.
Daddy, how does our home look?
It's fantastic. Your mom maintains it beautifully.
Shivani, come inside.
You just have the seat.
Shivani,
Coming, Mom.
Dad,
here, just go and give.
You just go and give.
Why? Has he come to date with me? Just go and give.
Just go, Ma.
I won't.
Just go. I'm telling you, no. Daddy,
Yeah,
how is dress?
the black dress is amazing.
Huh?
Ayyo, Dada. I'm asking about my dress.
Oh, you are very pretty.
Mama,
Huh?
you have changed several dresses which looks good on you for Dada's arrival, no? Now he says this is so good on you.
God, she's really teasing me.
Dad.
No, Dad, it's really good. Mom's made a very good juice.
Dad, it's packet juice.
Even selecting the right packet juice needs talent, right?
Akash, Shivani, come, let's cut the cake.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday to
To you.
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Shivani.
Happy birthday, dear.
Hey, did you invite someone else?
No,
Who else then?
I'll just go and see.
Who is it?
Sorry, I am Sanjay, Hanu's husband. Shivani, my daughter. I am seeing Shivani for the first time. Happy birthday, Shivani. Love you. When the gangster shot at me, I didn't thought I will be alive. Other than getting my life, I am happy that I got you and my daughter back. Even my parents couldn't found you. After watching you in TV news, I feel I got my life back. I am so happy now. As your wish, as soon as possible, we will get legally married. Shivani, this is very, very special day for you because your dad is back. Enjoy the day. See you later.
Sanjay. Anu, what happened? I don't know what happened. Someone has shot at Sanjay.
Oh my god. Give way, please. There's an emergency patient. Please give way. Please.
What are you doing? Where are you taking him?
It is very serious. There are no facility here, so we are taking to Simar Medical Center.
This is ICU ambulance. Nobody can enter into
Just
it.
come, we'll follow you.
Excuse me. A patient was brought from Sanjeevan Hospital. Do you know where the operation theatre?
Patient name?
Sanjay Sharma.
1 second, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, there is no patient in this name.
No, he was brought from Sanjeevan Hospital in your ambulance.
No, ma'am, we haven't sent any ambulance from here.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am, please check it out with some other hospitals.
This is Seema Medical Center, right? Where else they would have taken?
Okay, you don't get things to come.
You're only Anu, right?
Yes.
Sir asked you to come inside.
Sit down. How long do you know Sanjay Sharma?
For past 1 year, I know him, sir. When I was pursuing PG in Calcutta University, I met him, sir.
So for the last 1 year, you've been together without getting married.
Yes, sir. We are living together.
Where are your parents?
They are in Canada.
Have you met his parents?
I haven't met them, sir. They are living in Bangalore. In fact, we wanted to meet them and convince them for the marriage. That moment only Sanjay faced this.
Do your parents know that you're going to get married
No, sir.
without informing your parents? What was the hurry in this marriage?
That's because...
You're pregnant. Right?
Yes, sir.
You are Justin Malhotra's daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you please wait outside?
Okay.
You and Sanjay both murdered her father. You're still maintaining innocence and moving with her. What for?
Sir, what are you trying to say? I couldn't understand.
Shut up! You know everything. Who shot Sanjay? Where is Sanjay now? You know everything. Don't play with us.
I really don't know anything, sir. Trust me. I really don't know anything about this.
You know nothing is what I know. But you do know the fact. Sanjay is not an ordinary man. He's a professional killer. And a sharpshooter. Your friend's father, Justin Malhotra, is a top geological scientist in India. He discovered the plutonium resources of India and he wanted it to be used by India, so he had kept it secretly. But that information was collected by foreigners, wanted to take it by help of some criminals of India. Sanjay is one of them. You can't breach Justin Malhotra just like that, top security. He used you to get into the house because you are her daughter's close friend. He came with you to the function just to kill Justin Malhotra.
Just stop. They are my friends. You don't
Okay.
have to check them.
Okay.
Hi, Anu, how are
Please,
you?
please.
This is Sanjay.
Hi, come Sanjay. How long it's been?
How all going? This looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's really fun.
We are trying to trace him from that day onwards. We want to know who is operating from the background, so that is why we didn't disturb him. Sanjay is shot and also abducted. It could be the same gang too. But in our inquiry, we knew that you are innocent. No, just listen to me. You have to leave Calcutta. Even your friend should not know about this. Only then, you and your child will be safe. Since you are from Tamil Nadu, I'm doing this help to you. Just get out from here. Go away. You do not worry about the criminal who left you in the lurch. Don't worry. Till you and Shivani are alone, it's going to be a big trouble. And you don't have to think I'm helping you. I want you as my daughter-in-law is my wish.
Please be seated, uncle.
It is much more than my son gets a wife. My grandson needs a good mother.
No, uncle. I couldn't imagine one more wedding in my life. As of now, Shivani and your future only lies in my mind.
That is exactly what I'm saying. If you want your daughter's future to be good, then you should definitely get married. Bhaskar loves her so much.
I know, uncle. Still, this won't work out.
I'm sorry.
Oh God, uncle. I didn't mean this to hurt you. I don't want to get involved in marriage. Sorry, uncle.
No. It's okay. I don't want to compel you anymore on this.
Mom, I only compel grandfather to come here. I really like you, Mummy. That's why I done this. I don't know that it will hurt you so much. I will never do this again. I'm sorry, Mummy. I'm really sorry.
Hey Akash, Mummy gave a green sign to marriage. Mummy wants to talk with Daddy, it seems. Tomorrow, me and Mama going to the shop to visit Daddy.
Super. Let's go inform Grandpa.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello.
Daddy, Mummy needs to talk to you, it seems. We are coming to your shop.
All right. Beautiful. I'll wait in my room. Hey, some important guests are coming. I should not be disturbed.
Okay, boss. Hey, ask him to close the shutter.
Hey, close the shutter.
Hey, why the hell are you shutting down?
You just said not to leave anyone.
I'm at the office room, idiot, not the shop.
Hey, open the shutter
Hey, shutter open.
and close the office.
How will I get inside?
Yeah, you're right. How will you go inside? Office open.
What about shutter?
Slap you, idiot. Do what I say.
Good morning, boss.
Morning. Please sit down. Why are you getting up? You're an elderly person.
That's right. At this age, you're selling dress like this. Aren't you ashamed?
This is dull, man.
Not even leaving the manicure you.
Excuse me. That's Mr. Bhaskar, right?
Yes, you're right.
Is
How
it?
come he is here?
Where is he?
He is the owner of this shop.
Oh.
Hello.
Boss, a madam wants to meet you.
I'm waiting for her. Send her up. Hey, the guest has arrived. I should not be disturbed. Remember?
Yes, Your Honor. Just like you say. All those mannerism lessons is for this lady, I think.
Excuse me?
Yes, madam. Hello, you're here. Welcome.
Mr. Bhaskar?
Bhaskar, sir. He is just
Oh.
waiting for you. He is sitting, you waiting.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
I'll
please,
go.
Please go.
Hello?
Yes.
Bhaskar?
How come you're here?
Came for shopping. Came to know this is your shop. Came for saying thanks.
Thank me? For what?
Mine and Siddharth marriage is fixed. That's only because of you. Thank you so much.
At this time, I should not let anyone in. That's boss' strict order. He asked me to close the shutter also. I only told I'll take care. It's a secret meeting, right?
Very
okay,
kind of
okay.
you. Thank you, Bhaskar. Thank you so much.
Come, Shivani.
I would.
Come, Shivani.
Oh my god. 2 movies in 1 ticket. When did she
She
go
are the
inside?
guest, right? Hey, when did she go in?
Kalyani. No, Anu.
Why did you call both at the same time and create confusion, boss?
She comes searching for you and hugs you. Tell me why.
Hugging each other is not a big thing in Mumbai. Don't you know this?
You don't have to tell me that. But the other girl left you now. Damn it.
She didn't even want to know what happened there. How am I to blame?
My dear, when one girl leaves because the other one hugs you, it means that the girl left you has you in her heart.
Then I think I should call her up.
Don't call her now. Go meet her in person and talk. Till then, my son, be controlled.
Boss, Big Boss has asked you to talk to Shivani now. But before that, don't you have to apologize to actress Kalyani?
Why should I apologize to Kalyani?
The time when she was hugging you, that time you didn't say anything and you were enjoying, right?
All these days I stayed a hidden life because of him only. Now he himself has turned up. Sanjay has changed or not, I am not bothered about it. The betrayal what he has done is enough for me. My only worry is how to protect Shivani from him, that's all. Shivani calls you daddy. Akash is calling me mommy. This one should turn into reality. That's what your father also wish.
Is it only my dad and the children who like you?
Even the kiddos doing secret marriage or reaching on time. These people who are legally getting married are yet to come.
Okay, our boss and Shivani madam are getting married today. When is Honeybee?
Honeybee?
That only, where these newly married people go.
That is not honeybee, it's honeymoon.
Specific like that.
Tell me, only to get children to go for a honeymoon. They already have a child. Why are they going for a honeymoon?
He has a son and she has a daughter. But they both don't have a kid, right? That is why they...
Mummy? Mummy, please get ready soon. They're all waiting for us.
You're almost over, da.
Yeah, Grandpa. We're moving ahead.
Shivani? 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 Shivani?
Mummy! 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 Mummy!
Shivani?
Mummy!
Shivani?
Mummy!
Shivani?
Mummy!
Sanjay, will you just leave my kid or not?
Your daughter. Say it's our daughter. You are going to get married. Go. We will be in Calcutta when your marriage is getting over.
Hey, leave me. Just leave.
Whomever you want to marry, that's your wish. I am not going to stop you. But taking care of my child, should I need to take permission? It's not possible.
Hey, the groom is here.
There he is. Boss, please don't panic. The bride is yet to come.
Now only the bride went inside.
Hey, she's not that girl. She's the other girl. Don't keep blabbering. Don't be in a hurry. The bride hasn't come
Hey,
yet.
I'm saying the same thing here. Boss, please don't panic. She's ready to
Then
come.
she's not the
That's
bride.
what I tell-
Hey, even here?
That
Grandpa, mom is only calling.
Oh. Tell me.
Uncle, I can't come to the wedding. I'm sorry.
What are you talking? You can't say, sorry, I cannot come to this because you are not a guest. You are the bride.
I'm not in a situation to come now. Kindly cancel the marriage.
Hello? Hello?
What's up, Dad?
Suddenly she says she can't get married. She's in some kind of trouble.
wasn't that expected after the marriage? That happened to me.
Hey, Bloody keep your mouth shut. The way she said to me is like, she can't come here right now.
What if she can't come here? Let's go there. Adolf!
Going very fast on that.
Come on.
He's a lunatic, raising his arms off and on.
Hey!
Sir, we are transforming him from this job, sir. He doesn't understand English. Tell him.
We're gonna lift you from this place.
All that you cannot do.
Then he'll do it.
Now listen to me. I am a guy who clearly abides by the law. That is the reason why for the last 25 years nobody could actually lift me from this chair.
We cannot lift him without the chair, right? We lift him with the chair.
Lift him up.
Hey, listen to me.
Hey, how heavy is he, man?
Yeah.
Hey, keep him down here. Keep him down there. Yeah.
Hey, I think it's the wrong house. Wrong number.
Hey, why are you blabbering in your drinks? This is not a phone to be wrong number.
The door number has changed. Just see there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey,
Let's
I
go.
think we have come to a different house.
What did you say? Sorry, sir.
Oh, let's go.
Sorry.
Take. Go. Hey, wait. Look at the kid's photo.
Yeah, look at the child.
You see?
come
Okay,
with us,
come here.
with us.
Come.
Hey, who are you?
We are all from the groom's house. He is the register officer, sir. His name is Alagasundaram.
But that's only in the name.
Look.
You can't see that in face. Okay, who are you?
Hey, he's from Bright Side.
Oh, okay, then we have to...
Won't you guys be quiet anytime?
No issue, boss. Registrar office is ready. Registrar is ready. If bride and groom
Matter
comes...
is ready. Sorry. Marriage will be ready.
Fool, go call Bhaskar.
Come on.
Come, let's go.
Boss! Come soon, we are late already.
Why are you speaking like a priest? Boss, your good time will start only after the marriage.
All right, go home and take care of other matters. I'll come after the
Super,
marriage.
boss.
I am Rangasamy. I'm going to get married my son to Anu. And you?
Ask Anu, who am I?
He's only Shivani's father.
Is it because of him you said no? It's going to happen right in front of you. I'm going to marry her for life. Go ahead with it, son.
Ready, sir. But before that, I have to ask you certain legal questions. I just said generally. There is nothing legal for you, right?
Bhaskar, I don't want this wedding.
What? You don't want to get married?
She's telling that she don't want you. Now you can go outside.
Bhaskar, don't create an issue. Just leave him. Bhaskar, kindly listen. Uncle, please tell him.
Hey, Bhaskar, leave him. I'm telling you, leave him. To fight and decide, is it something in nonsense? This is marriage. Bhaskar, go wait outside. Get out! Please, Anu, I'm sorry. Brother, first, send him to his house.
Okay, boss.
Go.
I thought he's from Bright Side, but he's Bride's husband.
Bihari, listen carefully. The moment the bride and groom keeps their leg outside
Don't go
the
to
car,
eat food.
Arnold,
Ready?
the moment they step down, blast the crackers.
Listen, even for bursting cracker, we need a Bihari. Then for the band?
He's not Bihari. He's the Nepali.
What? Nepali?
What else, man? In Tamil Nadu, for everything, we have only North Indians here.
So you're not going to employ anybody from our team at
Like
all?
you do the work very properly. You're calling owner to bring the spanner. I'll come to you. Listen carefully. Crackers are dumil, stop. Band damal, start. And listen, if there's any missing in time, paisa nahi.
Paisa nahi hai?
Paisa nahi.
Paisa
You should
nahi
be
hai.
very
Aao,
careful.
aao.
Hey, come.
Hey, they're leaving us and going.
Hey, come here, man.
Money,
Paisa hai,
money.
paisa hai,
We
come
want
here,
money.
paisa hai.
Hey friend, how do I make them understand? Hey Nepal, listen to me. I'll tell you for the last time only. When the crackers start bursting, stop the band.
Band starts and crackers will stop. That means dumil, 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 damal, damal,
Hey,
dum.
what are you trying to say finally?
Does he
When the
understand?
crackers stop, band has to play. And when the band stops, crackers has to burst. Yes or no? For just this much, you're talking so much.
Which maniac is doing all this here?
What? We are in the current timing, right?
Marriage has been cancelled.
What? The marriage has been cancelled. Hey, please stop, stop. Stop it, man. Stop, please, please stop
The
it.
crack is bursting. Stop them.
Put water
Okay,
on
I'll
it.
have to throw some water on it and...
Hey, hey, go, go, go,
some
get
water
some
and come,
water.
man.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, give it fast, give it
How to
fast.
stop it?
Pour it.
Hell, I asked you for water and you're bringing crackers, idiot.
Hey, you're thrown into the crackers.
Oh my god, oh my god. You
Hey,
catch it,
go,
you take
get some
it.
water.
Pour it, man. Pour it. Like you're watering your garden. Pour it, man. Pour it fully.
Throw
Come
it
on.
very fast on that.
What a close escape.
Idiots.
Hey, listen, man. He started playing the band. Let's
Oh
go
my
stop
god,
them.
these people.
Boss, don't
What
worry. I'll
the
stop
hell
it.
is this?
I'll stop it. Don't worry.
Hey! Stop this!
Hey, stop it, man.
Stop all this
boss,
nonsense.
Boss, please wait. I'll ask them. Hey, you idiot, stop. What are you dancing? You
Hey,
have
stop it,
stop,
stop it.
Ask them to stop.
Stop it,
Hey,
man.
Stop,
Give
man.
this to me.
Stop,
Give
man.
this to me.
Stop. Like a saxophone artist he is. See what I do now. Stop it.
The timing was perfect, right?
Hey, short man. Why are you so very short-tempered, man?
Kill you.
Hey, send them off.
Yes,
As
my
you
lord.
say, boss. Hey, go from
get
here.
out, get out, get out.
Boss, listen to us,
Boss, you're just getting first time, secondly married, right? That's why we want to celebrate it actually. That's why.
We have missed on the timing, boss.
Sorry, boss, please.
Hey, he has already gone long back.
When did he leave? What is this now? I think it's a meal vehicle. Hey, why did you bring this man here?
Boss has asked me to bring him home.
Hey, why has he brought this monkey man here?
That is exactly what I am asking from the morning. This bloody drunkard is not even answering to what I am asking.
Hey, Rocky!
Boss!
5 minutes, I'll be back.
Did you call me boss?
Hey, what the hell is this?
This fellow.
I don't know, ask him.
Huh?
Hey, get rid of all this.
Okay, boss.
Oh my god.
That's a late one. My bad time, it's happening now. Don't worry, boss. I won't take it in account.
What the hell's going on there?
No, he asked him to clear them. Give him a punch.
Anyway, we have paid him. Let them.
Hey, stop those bloody buffoons.
Okay,
Go,
boss.
man.
Go, man.
Stop
it, man. Stop it.
Stop it, man.
Stop it.
The timing was correct, right?
Oh my god.
You happy?
It's
Yeah,
all my
fully
fate.
happy. Go
Please
now,
go
go.
away. Please.
Just
Get
go from
close,
here.
man.
Sir, when are you going to drop me back? I am a government officer. It's lunch break. And during the lunch break, I won't even put a single signature. Just for information.
Why did you bring him here to our
You
house?
only asked me to bring him home.
You bloody
Give
fool.
it to him.
I asked you to drop him in his house.
You should have told me clearly.
That is exactly what I am asking since morning. He is getting boozed up and he is doing everything wrong.
Fools! Go, drop him.
Is it still busting?
Hey, start.
Oh.
They have
Look,
started
let's
after
go,
the
stop.
crackers.
Oh my
Go.
god.
Stop,
I'm gonna kill
stop.
that
Yeah, stop
short
here.
guy now.
Hey, what's happening here?
Get
Stop,
lost,
stop.
Get lost, man. Get lost. Get lost.
Akash.
Hey, hold it right there. Did I fret for her? She wanted to be a mother, right? Didn't she say so? Then why insult all of us today? Hey. Come here. You're ashamed to call me your father, right? You don't like me. But I like you. You are my everything. You asked me the other day if your mother was like her. There's no comparison for your mother. She's the fact that doctors warned her that pregnancy could be dangerous for her and gave me a son. She loved you from the moment you were conceived. There is no comparison for your mother. Yeah, I'm a fighter. An illiterate rascal. Huh? But I'm not a betrayer like her. Hereafter, don't bring anyone else claiming she is your mother. Good night.
Here, after uniting dad and mom won't happen, you know.
Why are you both so dull? We have come to a decision. You're going to Canada with your mother. Okay? You go and tell your grandparents about us, come back, and then all of us will be together.
Thank you, Daddy.
Just see how happy these kids are. But after going to Canada, I don't know how I'm going to handle her. Thank you so much for acting for me.
It's easy to lie to adults like us. But lying to children is very tough.
Akash, where is Shivani?
Shivani, she was here only.
Hey, you were playing along with her. Won't you be careful? Shivani!
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 Shivani! Shivani! Sanjay, where is Shivani?
Shivani? Why you're asking me? Now only came.
Sanjay, don't lie. Sure, you would have done something.
Really, I don't know. She will be somewhere here only. Come on. Shivani?
Shivani! Shivani! Shivani!
Welcome, Anu. Welcome. Come. Looking for your child? She came looking for the rabbit. And both of you have come to the right place. Shivani, huh? Even her name is beautiful like her. What are you looking, man? Tell Anu, who am I to her? You won't tell? Okay. I'll tell it myself. Anu, I am this criminal's father who is still suffering after his birth. I regret him. She's his mother. Only after we came to know that you're here, we have come here. Listen, I don't want to blame anybody, either you or my granddaughter. We repent for his mistakes.
Shivani, come.
Hey, she's my granddaughter.
Hey, you took her away without her knowledge like a kidnapper? We've been looking around for her everywhere.
Listen, I'm a grandfather.
Hey, you stop being that long back. Anu, come. Come.
Hey, who is he, man? Are you trying to cheat me once more?
Kishore, why should I cheat you? He is my problem. If he is there, I can't do anything.
Only his being is your problem. Then he should never be there.
Henchmen, is it? You're coming to my place and trying to attack me?
Hey, how are you related to this house? Why are you coming and creating a problem here?
Who's creating problems? The only problem here is you and your son. Hiring henchmen. You want to hire someone strong. Or I'll come to your place.
Oh, you're that big of a shot. Hey, this is our family problem. I've come here to take my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter from this place.
Daddy!
Hey! You try to meddle with her, that'll be the last of you.
Who are you to tell that to me, you scoundrel?
You wanna call me names now?
Bhaskar!
Hey!
Salim, wait. I'm sorry, Bhaskar. Dad became little emotional. I told many times, please leave my wife and daughter.
Who's your wife? Did you marry her? You don't call someone who cheats and lies a girl a husband. God damn you.
Stop it! Can you all please leave this place? Just allow me to live in peace. Shivani, come. Why are all of you torturing me like this? Come, Shivani.
Go. She has been a daughter to me from the day she called me dad.
Mom did mention us. Mom is so pretty. She is so tense. That's why she shouted.
Hey.
Don't mistake her.
No, Dad. She meant us to.
No, Dad. You see, she'll come in the balcony to see us.
Akash, get in the car. Hey, boys never cried, huh? Listen up. Let's not give up Shivani and mother for anybody else. Hey, I didn't mean what I said the other day. Don't you take it to heart. I'll take care of everything else. Shivani's mom will be your mom. Don't cry.
I didn't cry because of mother. I'm crying because of you.
Why?
You're facing so many difficulties because I want a mother, no? But mom did like you. I don't like a mother who doesn't like you, Papa. I love you, Dad.
Hey. If you don't want, neither do I. We are here for each other. That's enough. Boys don't cry here.
Me and Shivani has decided to live in Canada with my parents.
How it is possible? You both should stay with me.
That will never happen.
Anu!
Sanjay! Are you not happy with the amount of torture you have done to her till now? Sorry, dear. Sorry. Let them go to Canada. She may change her mind after some days and come back here. You go. But before going there, only once you come to Calcutta.
I can't, I'm saying, right?
Anu, don't say like that. Now everybody's lives is in your hands.
The one mistake. The one mistake which she committed has put everybody of our life is in big danger now. Now if you're not going to help us, that criminal will definitely kill us all. I kindly request you to help us. Please come to Calcutta once with us. Probably 7 years ago, in Kolkata, he has given something very important to you and to keep it in the bank locker. Is it true? Huh?
I'm sorry, Anu. When I told to keep that in locker, how much important that is. Even I didn't tell. He also didn't ask. Now, where is that?
That one. That should be in the same locker.
Only for that group had shot him down. Then the police and that group kept asking where is it and kept torturing him. Anu, now the gang has come to know where you're living now. And they were the people who created trouble here. Before any trouble is there to you and your daughter because of those people, let us go there, take it from the bank and give it back to them. Did you understand?
My sweet Shivani.
I'm leaving, Uncle.
Okay, I know.
Akash? Take care.
Shivani!
Sanjay. Shivani, what are you doing? Just get inside the car.
No, I can't. I'll come only if Dada and Akash comes.
Hey, why us? You and your mother will be back in 2 days.
No, we will never come. Mama is lying.
Shivani, are you coming now or not?
If you compel me to come now, I'll be missing somewhere in airport.
Why are you tensioning me? Come.
You and Akash come at least till Calcutta, Pa. At least we can stay for 2 days, no, Pa. Please, Pa, please.
Shivani, please.
It's okay, I'll tell him. What are you thinking about? Go just 2 days, no, go.
I'm afraid I can't go.
Hey, it is for the children. Go.
Okay.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you so much.
Come.
Okay, Akash, get in the car.
Come, Akash.
Hey, Akash, do you know why I asked you to come here? This is our last chance to keep Mama and Dada to stay together. How is my plan?
Your plan is always good, but we are trapped inside that.
You just shut up, Dumbo.
Stop. I know. You go and come. We will wait for you.
Hey, come, let's go. Before they search and find us, we will miss their flight. This is my plan.
Bhaskar, where are the children?
They were right here. Shivani! Akash!
Sanjay,
Box.
kids.
I'm not worried about the children. Give the box.
Without kids, I won't be giving this. Leave.
Hello.
Sanjay, don't be over smart. Both your kids are with me only. Take that hard disk and come to me. Give me the box.
Where are the kids?
Sanu!
Stop, Sanjay!
Shivani! Mommy! Mommy! I'm scared! Mommy! 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 Mommy!
Shivani!
Shivani!
Hey, stop!
Akash! Mummy!
Akash! Let's not fight within ourselves. Finish him first.
50-50.
Hey!
Dad!
Mummy! What happened, Mummy? Mummy, wake up!
Hey!
Mummy, please wake up!
What's up? What happened?
It's all because of him. He called those bouncer boys and he was teasing him because of their body. Now they are behind us.
You have to break his hands and legs.
I just told them because of you.
If I bang you.
What did I tell you? We're going to be decent from now.
Only the younger ones are told to find somebody and call them here.
Yeah, I need my old dad back. I don't need this.
Correct. If someone come to knock us out, the first knock should be...
Should be ours.
Come, sweetie.
Hey, baby.
Huh? Bhaskar.
I'm not coming.
Why?
Sir, please, we don't know, sir.
Run, man. No.
Okay, I'll go and see. Huh? Hello, Bhaskar.
Oh my God.
Hi, Bhaskar. We got married.
I swear I
Everything
don't have
is
anything.
because of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Once again.
Very nice
Oh my God,
meeting you.
boss, see here. Boss, she's saying. Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
Bye.
please,
Yeah.
boss,
Come at the same time.
stop this idiot. Hey,
Anup.
come, let's go, man.
Anup! Anup! Hey, Anup! Shivani! Akash! Come on!
Hey!